Frosty the Snowman. Once upon a time, Billy, Tommy, Sally and Joe lived in a small village. It's winter, it's snowing night. In the morning, the children play in the park and start to roll snowballs. Round and round the snowy park they roll the snowballs. Soon they have two big balls. Round and round the park there is a small snowball, just the right size for a snowman head. Billy runs home and brings 2 bits of coal to use for the snowman's eyes. Sally gives him a carrot nose and a funny pipe. Tommy brings floppy rain boots and a scarf for the snowman. And Joe brings him a pair of old red gloves to wear. Now we need a hat, says Sally and Joe. Billy, Tommy, Sally and Joe begin to look around. Sally finds an old cap, but it doesn't look right. Billy finds a crushed flat hat, but it doesn't seem right too. Just then, down the street comes a wind, and it blows to their feet a shiny top hat. Just what we did, shout Sally and Joe. It's like magic, say Billy and Tommy. It is Toby who picks up the shiny top hat and put it the snowman's head. Think Tommy's hat springs back with a shock. It's magic, says Tommy. Yes, it's it. It's the snowman. Frosty the Snowman at your service. That's how Frosty the Snowman came alive. Now Frosty is children's friend. Frosty plays with the children and pulls their sled very fast. Frosty helps them to build a snow house. They go ice skating, and the magic is that while they are with Frosty, children play in the snow and never get cold. Is it Frosty's warm earth is magic smile? Frosty has funny plans every day. One morning Frosty says, "Let's go shopping today." I never finish shop. So they all join hands and skip the shops. But it's a sunny and windy day. The children and Frosty are in a corner. And suddenly a hard wind blows. Off goes Frosty's hat. And Frosty took dear. Then, sweet,
whistles than traffic police.
And the children can't follow Frosty.
There is a lot traffic, buses, cars, lorries.
Tweet! The traffic policeman whistles. The children cross the street, but they can't see Frosty. But look on the floor, says Sally. Frosty stopped hat in a pool of water. Mr. Policeman, shout the children, where is Frosty the Snowman?
Oh, says the policeman.
Frosty the Snowman goes away where a snowman goes on sunny days. But he'll be back if you call him Frosty, Frosty on a snowy day.